previous class, we have gone through the words that begin with SH. Now children, do you remember the words? Yes? Can you all tell me? Alright, correct. We have learned the word ship, shell, shoe, shit, shore, shark, shirt and shorts. Yes, today we are going to do some other words that begins with SH. Not only in the beginning but also in the middle and at the end. Let's start.
Now children, let me show you all this picture. Can you all identify what picture is this? Yes, it's mushroom. What it is? Mushroom. Children, repeat with your miss. Mushroom. Okay, let me show you all the next picture. Yes, what it is? Correct. It's fish. What it is? Fish. Okay, let me repeat once more. It's fish. Now let me show you all the next picture. Can you all guess what it is? Yes, it's brush. What it is? Brush. Yes, repeat with me. Brush.
That's all for today. We'll meet again in our next class. Till then, bye-bye.